So this is a Lego puzzle box from Cheat 3. So this puzzle is named Virgo. So let's get started with the solution. So the first step is you can find there are some tiles sticking out, like right here. When you push them, there's two other tiles that pop out from the back, like this. So what you have to do is just push this one like to half of it, and then pull it from each side afterwards, like this. And then the next step is just go to the other one, the bottom one, because I just did the top one, and just do the same thing like this. Then just pull both of them out. You can see that now your this part just drops down, right? Like this. What you have to do is just stay at load. Let's pull I will repeat that again and show you again. So since it's dropped down, just move it this way, like this. Then when you kind of like have it, when you finish moving this, you'll find your prize money. For me, it's $100. And then the reset is just pop this thing back in to the cavity, and then just pop all the tiles that are not white back in. But make sure do not leave it down like this. Make sure it's up, and then push the remaining two. So like this. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure you check out the channel Cheat 3. It's full of amazing puzzles, and I hope you enjoyed this video as well. If you did, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.